Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can clean the filter in the Roomba Robot 405. So in the first step, let's take the cleaning tool. It's located on the front cover, and there's a small brush. Then let's open the top cover of your Roomba Robot, remove the container, and the filter is located here. You can remove this filter by lifting it up from the left side and just clean it with the brush. Remember to do not use the water to clean this filter. Then put it back like before from the right to the left side and put the bin container in the proper place. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.